wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best basal thermometers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. The isnow-med High Accuracy features a built-in alarm clock and a large blue display that shows your temperature and the time and date. It includes graph paper for recording each day's results, and everything stores neatly in the compartmentalized case. It saves the last 60 measurements and shuts off automatically. However, its beeping is hard to hear. At number 5, the mabis DMI Healthcare are sold in a set of 2, which is convenient if you need to pack one away for travel. They beep when your reading is complete and recall previous results, which is handy if you forget to write them down. These come with 12 ovulation charts and clear plastic storage containers, but the screens are not backlit. Coming in at number 4 on our list, the Easy At Home Smart Kit sends your data to your mobile device, where it generates a graph and identifies any spikes in temperature clearly. You also get 25 strips for performing urine-based tests to help indicate whether you're ovulating. It can display in Fahrenheit or Celsius and comes with a spare battery. It's available in pink or purple. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for basal thermometers, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3, the tempdrop wearable eliminates the need to wake up early for your daily reading, since it takes your temperature automatically. It's designed to be worn on the upper arm overnight and syncs with your chosen smartphone fertility app. It includes a drawstring carrying pouch and is available in 2 sizes, both backed by a 12-month warranty. At number 2, featuring a discreet design that resembles a lipstick case, the femometer Vinca 2 can be paired with your mobile device to transmit and graph your data. It offers a simple button-free operation and turns on and off when you lift and replace the lid. It's equipped with a bright backlit LCD and an adjustable volume. It's a durable, waterproof construction. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the precision-engineered technology of the iproven BPT113 AI shows your body temperature to 1/100th of a degree, so you can easily detect any shifts. Just enter your daily reading into a compatible fertility tracking app like Clue, Glow, or Natural Cycles. It includes a protective case, a straightforward set of instructions, and a money-back guarantee. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for basal thermometers, or simply click beneath this video.